What's up, everybody? Sorry, it's a different kind of setup. We're in the process of packing up gear, getting out of here. Wanted to talk about this DJI Mavic 2 Pro footage. This is the Hasselblad version, not the Zoom version. This was sent to us by our dear friend Geoff Fagien. I don't know how to say it, Geoff, I'm sorry. If you guys want to show him some love, check out his YouTube channel. I'll post it in the links down below. But this is some of that footage. If you want to hear our thoughts, our commentary, and anything else, please look at the live stream from yesterday. That's got way more detail. This, however, is in 4K. The live stream is going to be in 1080. So what I suggest doing is watching this footage first and then kind of jump around in the live stream. We talk about mostly this stuff at the front half of that show. Save you a little bit of time. Also, check out the new shirt. Got a brand new shirt here. I'm pretty proud of my skills in making shirts. No? Nobody cares? Probably not. That's fine too. Here's the footage.